pedestrian mall. And the scenery gets intense. The food kiosks. What's that?
要我给你拍一张吗？要不要我给你拍一张？
味道鲜美，一满全国。
Hello, how are you? How are you? Good. Dessert. Good. Nice. Nice smile. That's what you call a nice smile. Great place to take a Sunday afternoon stroll. Just half hour away from the hustle and bustle of Shanghai. Getting here by a high-speed train. A pedestrian mall. And the scenery gets intense. The food kiosks. Looks delicious. Not only the food is colorful, but the people also.
Yeah, they're wearing colorful clothes.
Hello there. Hi. More color.
世界美食在中国，中国美食在四川，四川美食在四川。
Hi. Hello, how are you? How are you? Good. The big squeeze. Festive atmosphere here as steam belches out of the food kiosk and all along here. Delicious looking stuff. What's that?
要我给你拍一张吗？要不要我给你拍一张？
味道鲜美，一满全国。天津传统风味小吃。
The language barrier. The language barrier.
回味无穷。
Look at this.
三日出之肉滋味。
Dumpsing type fair.
美味，上鸡臭豆腐，天龙鱼腐，香奶。
Oh, and here the squid. Seafood. And here's for the dessert. Dessert. Good. Nice. Nice smile. That's what you call a nice smile. Nice smile. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, there are dogs in China. I only hear of dogs in China as being on the menu. As being on the menu, but these dogs are not on the menu. Not yet, anyway. Goldfish over here, or koi. And more pets. Look at this. Big dogs in small cages. Where is the SCPA when you need them? Oh boy. Not a healthy sign. Such as the fish market, the live fish market. At least the goldfish market. Wow, look at this. Along with goldfish, the Chinese certainly like birds. Canaries, budgies. Can't hear myself think here. Can't hear myself think. Ah, there's some wild birds. Last one. And the parakeets. In the sun. In a back alley, we find plant and flower markets, antiques, and jewelry. Very charming. And you know when you're in China when you see this kind of furniture. Chinese traditional furniture. What would China be without lanterns? The beauty of Chinese lanterns. Hey Barb, you like this? Your coat fits in here perfectly. Hey, who's your artist that you like so much? Chiguli? Chihuli? What's his first name?
Dale Chihuli.
He makes stuff similar to this, right?
Out of glass though.
Out of glass, yeah. Very nice. Here's my backpack being fixed.
By hand, it's threaded by hand.
Oh, by hand, yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe this. This guy's doing this by hand. I got to get around to the other side.
大家上点那种线行不行？就那种线给它穿出来，你干净，那么脏怎么上？
That's pretty unique. My backpack being fixed by a hand sewing machine. No electricity. And here are some pretty robes worn by a pretty girl as she's being photographed.
So that's, I guess it's a Chinese
Chinese what?
outfit of some kind.
I'd say you're right.
It's not like a geisha
Look
outfit.
at that. No, it's not a geisha outfit at all. Look at the facial expression.
God, this lady just kicked it with her shoe.
This place keeps giving and giving with more intense scenery. Over here, a pagoda, Confucian temple, perhaps. We'll have to have a look at it. Down here, more interesting stuff. A total absence of English makes the next part of our visit a mystery as we go from the flames of the candles to the information panels that mean nothing, to the beauty of this temple. It'd be nice to have some candles though, the way those people do right there. Ah, from right here.